Hello everyone, welcome back to SGM Creations and Tutorials. I have here my project. This is a heart-shaped dangling earring. This is a heart shape made with red small pearls and white pearls. Look at this. And attached with the ring, two pearls on the top, and with the hook. The hook is just made from jewelry wire. This is not a ready-made hook. I am the one who created this one. So if you want to learn how to create different fashion accessories like this that is made with beads, just click the playlist BEADWORKS tutorials. BEADWORKS tutorials means jewelry making, and you can watch my video tutorial step by step on how I created a fashion accessories like this. And in my channel, you can find many projects that I have already created and posted the video tutorials of different projects. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that you learn how to create different things and you will be updated with all my new videos. So please give a thumbs up, share this video, and stay connected with SGM Creations and Tutorials so that you will be updated with all my projects. I am uploading my projects every day, so just stay tuned and stay connected so that you can see all my new videos. Just check my playlist and you can find different projects that I have already posted from my channel. I just want to share my skills and ideas on how to create different projects like fashion accessories, home decorations, and many things, especially on how to recycle waste materials and transform into unique and beautiful project. This one is made of beads. So I hope you like this tutorial. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel SGM Creations and Tutorials. So please give a thumbs up, comment and share this video, and see you again in my next video. Maraming salamat of Bedasan. Merci, Dankeschön. Daghang salamat sa inyong pagtanaw sa akong YouTube channel. Sana meron kayong natutunan dito sa aking mga projects na ginagawa at makatulong din para matuto kayong gumawa at pwede nyong ibenta para sa hanap buhay, pangkabuhayan, lalo na sa mga walang ginagawa. So yung mga walang ginagawa kasi nag-quarantine, so start creating simple projects out from recycled materials para meron kayong libangan dyan, okay? So, bye-bye and thank you for watching and supporting my channel, SGM Creations and Tutorials. This is a beautiful fashion accessories. You can match this with a white or red outfit. Look at this. This is a heart shape And this is also good for the Valentine's outfit. So this is originally created by SGM Creations and Tutorials. Hindi po to gaya-gaya. This is originally handmade by myself. So you can copy this one so that you will learn to how to create fashion accessories, and you have and no need for you to buy expensive things if you will know how to create different projects. So start creating now. From first project you will not be successful in the second time, but maybe in the third time you will be successful, and it would be a perfect project. Try and try until you succeed. Okay. So leave a comment below and share this video and subscribe to SGM Creations and Tutorials. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay at suporta sa aking YouTube channel, SGM Creations and Tutorials. Sana makatulong din sa inyo. Kung sino yung gustong matuto, just click my playlist, BEADWORKS Tutorials, and how to create fashion jewelry. Just click my playlist in my channel from this SGM Creations and Tutorials. Okay? So, bye-bye na.